All right, so good morning, 1301 students, checking in and hoping that you're doing great. Your weeks are off to a good start and you're ready to end the semester with a bang. This Friday, you have exam 3, which is over chapters 18 and 19. A few things you should know about the exam in order to be successful on it. First, it's very quantitative. I want you to be comfortable with calculating a consumer price index, that's a CPI, and using that consumer price index in order to calculate the rate of inflation. So that means you're going to need the percentage change formula. Also, concerning inflation, you need to be able to make adjustments, what's known as deflating a nominal value. So, going from nominal values to real values is something that you're going to see over and over again on the exam. Finally, you need to be comfortable working with problems where you're calculating labor productivity. That's going to vary with different time periods. Sometimes it's annual labor productivity or monthly. Either way, you need to be comfortable with quantifying how we are measuring the productivity of the labor resource. So that's going to be this Friday, April 29th, exam 3 plus the study guide. And as usual, the study guide will earn you 5 extra points on the exam. This exam will be similar to the previous. I will give you 2 attempts, a bit more time, and your grade will be the average of the 2 attempts. You don't have to use your second attempt, but if you do, I'm going to take the average of both attempts. Next week, by Friday, May 4th, you have the opportunity to submit a bonus homework, a bonus quiz, or a bonus exam over the bonus chapter, which is about the economics of pandemics. So I'm just going to kick out your lowest grade in those categories and pull in the better grade from the bonus chapter. If you choose to do it, you don't have to. But I figured that by now you've somewhat adjusted to the rigor of the course and what it's like taking an online class at the college level. So you should be a bit better at taking exams now than you were back in January or February. So that means that this last bonus exam, bonus quiz, bonus homework should be better than your worst grade in those categories, and therefore this can help your overall course average. Then that leaves us with the final. The final's a paper, or if you're feeling courageous, you can do a Google Sites. Very point and click, very intuitive. And the same thing that you would put inside of a paper, you're going to put inside of a website. If you do a website, 10 extra points off the top. Either way, I have a detailed web page on Canvas letting you know the topics that you can choose from for your final, how you are to document things in terms of citations and graphs, and the ways that you can maximize your score to get 100. There are 2 major submissions for the final. The first is a draft. It doesn't have to be complete, but it has to be mostly complete. A draft of your paper or your website is going to be due by Monday, May 9th. There's a link for it. May 10th, you will evaluate somebody else's final submission by using the rubric that I've provided. You're going to help your peer get an A. And you'll also take the opportunity to read the evaluation that someone has provided you. On Wednesday, May 11th by noon, that's when everything is due. You got to have your peer evaluation for someone else done. You also have to have your draft of your final now made into something that's ready to be graded by me. So you want to take into account the constructive criticism that you received during the peer evaluation, and also take to your advantage the time that you have between now and then to contact me about any questions that you have about choosing a topic, how to cite things, how to maximize your grade, or any other questions that you have. Generally speaking, I want everyone to please check their grades. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. As we're coming into the last couple of weeks of the semester, we want to make sure that everything is on the up and up as we move into the summer, and we can all just take a break. So have a great week. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and good luck as you are preparing intentionally for exam 3.